we're here fixing up the studio. We're adding a few furniture pieces and getting it ready for the autumn season. I bought a few decorations from Target, and I waited so long to put them up on the studio, and today is the day. Let me show you guys around really quick. I have a hook with my apron. I got this really cool shelf from Urban Outfitters. It's a mirror shelf, so I have to find something to put on that shelf. And then I also did this DIY iBar IKEA cabinet. I put a DIY reel on my personal Instagram. So if you guys follow me, you might have seen it. I just put these knobs and those legs on the iBar. Can't say it right. The iBar cabinet. I put a couple of just seasonal things. This is a nail menu that I need to work on. It's currently blank because I haven't created art in some time. I need to get on that. And then I also bought these really cute decorations from Target. Super cute. Let me see here. How cute is that? With these pumpkins here. Very cute. And then here is my work area and my trash can. I also got this cord cover because there's a lot of cords that I need. Like I have my phone charger, my lamp, and my nail lamp here. So this is the current setup. Put the towel warmer and my disposables. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with those nail menus. I don't really like them. They're a little outdated. The frames themselves are kind of outdated. They don't go with the vibe in the studio. And above here, next to the TV, I have a plant hanging right there. And then you have the sink. And then I also put in these cute little plants. Let me show you guys. I put these here. That little stand is from the Target dollar section. It's not really $1, it was like $5, but that's where I got it from. And then I have this rattan little shelf here. I need to fill this up. I'm having a hard time filling up this piece of furniture because I don't want too many plants to be all the way back here. And I thought about putting it over there, but I don't know how it's gonna look under the TV. It's gonna look awkward because I have my cart right there. And yeah, I don't know if I like that. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Very minimal. I know it's not a lot going on here. I'm very well aware of that. Like it looks kind of simple and very old. Like this building is very old, unfortunately. So it has like these random things, like these little features, like this switch right here that turns on this outlet. Switch powers basically my entire setup right here. I don't really like that, but I have no other choice really. It's really awkward here, but I managed to make it look pretty decent, I think. Hello, it's the next day. Oh man, last night was so much fun. The food was so good. I think my favorite part of last night was the sushi and that martini that I had, but that sushi was so good. I haven't had sushi that good since I was in Japan. I have to say it's even better than most of the sushi that I've had here in LA, like Sugarfish and places like that, it tasted like it was straight from Japan. So really happy with last night's birthday dinner. So this morning we're having a very light breakfast, and we might take the dogs out for a walk, and we're gonna go out for brunch to another place that I've been wanting to try out. It's in Alhambra, and it's like I don't know, it's Japanese, but it's slightly different. I want to check it out. And I'm wearing my Halloween pajamas. Look at that. Yes, they're mismatched, but I really like the mismatched look. Got these little pumpkins here, little ghosties. This is from Hannah Anderson. I think this is the name of the brand. I got these on clearance last year after Halloween season. And this is my new mirror here. I'm so happy with this mirror, you guys. I got it at Urban Outfitters. I really like this mirror. What do you guys think? It matches the rest of the house. I really like it. That mirror in the back right here that's attached to this bathroom door, I'm gonna get rid of that. I think Jamil did that. I had put it on the other side of the door, but yeah, I don't like how that looks, so I'm gonna get rid of that. But yeah, I really like this shelf, and also I got that stool from Urban Outfitters as well. I wanted to talk to you guys about my moon juice update, basically my hormone health update. I haven't talked about my hormones since Vlogmas, so last December. I'm still taking moon juice. I regularly take it. I also take a probiotic, and I take a multivitamin, and I also take omegas, like omega-3 oils. So that's helped a lot with my PMS and my period symptoms. I have my coffee sitting up here. This little area keeps the coffee warm, and I'm just letting it sit there while I take my vitamins, and I have a little bit of oatmeal. I don't like to drink coffee just first thing in the morning. I have to have water or something in my stomach. And of course it contains sex dust. This is what I put in my coffee. It's amazing. I haven't stopped taking this. This has helped me tremendously. I highly recommend it. It's so good. I feel like it helps with my mood. It helps with a lot of things, like my stress levels and my symptoms. Now, Moon Juice was having this sale going. Not really a sale. They were giving away these vitamins with orders above, I don't know, $60 or $70, something like that. So I placed a pretty big order, and I got these for free. These contain vitamin C, vitamin D, beta-glucans, chelated zinc. That's really good. It has zinc, so really good for your immune system. I haven't started taking these yet. I'm gonna open them today, but I was reading the back. It's 3 per day, and it's only 30 capsules. So this bottle will last me 10 days. So I have my cold water here. Cold water in the morning just hits so different. And I'm gonna put my B vitamins. This is what I do. I put B vitamins in my water. I don't like to take them in capsule form or pill form. This is also from Moon Juice. Same routine that I had since last year. So not much has changed really. I still use a lot of the same products. And at night I take this one I take it at night with some water. It tastes so good. It doesn't taste bad at all, and it helps me fall asleep. It reduces stress, and I have noticed that I fall asleep a lot faster if I take this. So I'm gonna open this up. Alright, so normally this powder is very easy to dissolve, but for some reason it clumps up. Do you guys see that? Even with the little preservative, I don't know, the little pouch thingy that it has, I don't know what you call that, but it still gets hard. And that's my only issue with this product, is that it turns into rocks. So it becomes harder to dissolve in the water. Do you guys see that? There's like a chunk floating around. There's like chunks down there. So I'm just so annoying. I'm just not gonna drink that. Obviously it's gonna be super gross and like overly sweet. But I highly recommend drinking this with cold water. It just tastes so much better with cold water. I also like to drink it when I'm working out. Like I'll put half a tablespoon in my workout water bottle. So far everything has been really good. I haven't had any issues with my period ever since I stopped taking the pill. I was so afraid of that happening. I was so scared that, oh no, like I'm gonna go back to like heavy bleeding. I'm gonna start passing out from the pain, and no, none of that has happened. I hardly get any cramps, and I honestly think it's because of the routine that I have, and I believe the omega oils are helping. So yeah, I know some people have been asking for an update, so here's my update. I hope this has helped. I'm not a doctor, but this is what has helped me, and I have no complaints so far other than the price tag. It is very expensive, but I think it's very, very, very much worth it. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'm gonna go have oatmeal right now. We're gonna go walk the dogs, and we're gonna step out for brunch, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I'm excited. On our way to brunch, and I don't know how I feel about my bangs. I keep trying to adjust my hair. So I got my hair cut like 2 days ago, and it looked great, but for some reason this morning when I woke up, I just had full on bed hair, whatever, whatever you call it. I'm just annoyed right now because I curled it a little bit more because I like when it has a lot of volume and it's super short. But for some reason the bangs just don't want to behave. They don't want to settle. It's like they haven't settled. Does this ever can't talk. Does this ever happen to you guys when you get a haircut? And I'm gonna lower the camera because I feel weird. Does this ever happen to you guys where you get a haircut and for some reason it takes like a couple of days for your hair to settle in place? Does that make any sense? I don't know what it is, but my hair tends to feel a little bit stiff sometimes. Not stiff. Yeah, I guess a little stiff. Like it doesn't want to lay where it needs to lay, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, I want to show you guys the shoes that I'm wearing, if you guys can see it. It's really dark, but I wanted to show you. Wait, how'd you do that? Oh wow, I didn't know you can do that. There's a light down here. That is so cool. I never knew that about this car. Anyway, I'm wearing the can't talk. I'm getting distracted. I'm wearing Margiela Tabby ballet shoes. I've had these for about 1.5 years, and I've never talked about it on my channel. Never posted them. I don't think I've ever posted these on Instagram. I love these shoes, but I have a hard time pairing them with a really good outfit. So I'm wearing these blue denim jeans. They're not skinny. They have some extra fabric here. They're not like it's more like a straight leg skinny light wash denim. I'm wearing like a short sleeve blazer kind of top. These are not shoulder sleeves, I promise. It's just the structure of the top, and it doesn't help that I'm sitting down right now, so everything looks kind of unflattering. But yeah, I'm wearing that. I'm wearing why am I showing you guys my outfit in the car? Like I should have done a proper I got that big mirror in the house, and I didn't even bother showing you guys what it looked like standing up, like not sitting down like this. But yeah, the shoes. I just wanted to show you guys the shoes. They're so cute, and I don't always wear them, and I feel bad because they're not cheap, obviously. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the shoes. I know right now there's a huge ballerina flat trend. I love the Miu Mius, but I just can't. Guys, over $900 for a pair of ballet flats. They're beautiful, don't get me wrong, but no. There's no way I'm gonna buy something like that. Also, I just realized I'm not wearing lipstick. I'm gonna put some lipstick on right now. Let's put some lipstick on. I didn't realize how ghastly I looked without my lipstick. I feel like I do. I look something about my lips not being done and like the rest of my makeup is done. It just looks so off to me. I look ghastly, like pale and weird.